Do you need to file IRS Form 2010 for your taxes? If you are wondering whether you need to file Internal Revenue Service Form 2210 for your taxes, you are not alone. Many people face this question, especially when tax season rolls around. Let's break down the details to help you understand when this form is necessary and how it relates to avoiding underpayment penalties. You may need to file Form 2210 if you want to determine if you owe a penalty for underpaying your estimated taxes or withholding during the tax year. Generally, you could owe a penalty if your total tax payments made through withholding and estimated tax payments are less than the smaller of 90% of your current year's tax liability or 100% of your prior year's tax liability. If you owe more than $1,000 in tax after subtracting your withholding and estimated payments, filing Form 2210 helps calculate the exact penalty amount or if you qualify for any exceptions. Here are some key points to keep in mind. If your total withholding and estimated payments equal at least 90% of your current year tax or 100% of your prior year tax, you typically do not owe an underpayment penalty and do not need to file Form 2210. If the difference between your total tax and what you paid through withholding and estimated payments is less than $1,000, you are not required to file this form or pay a penalty. Special rules apply if most of your income comes from farming or fishing, or if your income varies throughout the year. In those cases, you may use the annualized income installment method on Form 2210 to calculate required payments more accurately. Even if you are not required to file Form 2210, you can still choose to file it to request a waiver of the penalty if you had a reasonable cause for underpayment, such as a casualty event or disaster. From a practical budgeting and financial planning perspective, understanding when to file Form 2210 can help you avoid unexpected penalties that reduce your income. To prevent underpayment penalties, consider adjusting your tax withholding through your employer if you expect to owe more tax than usual. Making timely estimated tax payments is also important if you have income not subject to withholding, such as self-employment or investment income. Monitoring your income and tax liability during the year allows you to make withholding or estimated payment adjustments as needed. Using Form 2210's annualized income method can help if your income is uneven throughout the year, which may reduce or eliminate penalties by matching payments to when income was earned. You only need to file Internal Revenue Service Form 2210 if you owe an underpayment penalty or want to request a waiver of that penalty. By proactively managing your withholding and estimated payments, you can avoid the need to file this form and keep more of your income through careful tax planning.